Stock head unit, stock mids and highs.
Very nice. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Daniel, part of Team Megahertz. I have two DDX 12s, wide down to 1 ohm on a Wolfram 2400. I have an Autotek 270 under the hood and a stock battery, stock head unit, stock mids and highs.
Very nice.
Box is 3.9 cubes after the subs went in, 4.3 before the subs go in, tuned to 32.
32, okay.
It did a 37.2, less than 1,000 watts at 38 hertz.
Awesome. All right. Are you planning to seal it off eventually around the box?
I'm eventually about to do a wall actually with 215s.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Awesome. Play anything?
Play what you know is loud.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Thanks for showing me, man.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you sitting in.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
You too. Very nice.
Appreciate
And you still got your back seat, but it's
Yeah.
louder with it up, I'm assuming.
Yeah, louder down, yeah. That rear deck's actually right by the towel back there. If I didn't have that towel back there, it'd be all flapping around. And
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Every little bit helps.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, man. All right, you have a good day.
You too now.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.